Hi, I'm Jackie, the concierge here at Hotel Galvez, and we want you to know we're so excited that we officially open October the 15th. We're receiving our guests for the fall season. We want you to know that our restaurants are open, and we are also taking reservations for our Thanksgiving and Christmas brunches. Also want you to know, get ready because Dickens will appear again starting the first weekend in December, and we're so excited. So we want you to don't forget about us. Come on down and allow me and our staff to show you the best of Southern hospitality and Galveston's treasured historic charm.